What's up, guys? I've been spending a lot of money on fucking them little metal aluminum ramps, so I decided I'll just go ahead and build me an old-fashioned wooden one and just call it a day. You feel me? So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna build us a dirt bike ramp, something that's durable. You know what I'm saying? I know a lot of people out there that's carpenters. I'm not a carpenter at all. I haven't never went to school for carpentry, but I am a little bit artistic inclined, so I'm gonna build my own ramp to my liking. You don't have to like it or whatever, but I just thought I'd share this video with y'all, so let's get into it. Dirt bike ramp. Redoing my ramp right now. We redoing my ramp right now. I got something for it. Don't run a bust of wood. Take your piece. You gotta tighten it up too tight. All right, y'all, we're done with the ramp. So far, still got to do a little painting, grinding them corners off right here so my tire don't hit. But we're gonna do a test run real quick. I ran out of paint, but my goal is to bed line the entire middle so I can protect the wood. But let's give it a test run. Feel me? So, and then I like to just ride my bike straight up on the ramp when I either track or trail riding or whatever. I just leave my ramp sitting on the edge of my truck. But I'm gonna show y'all how it's set up right now. So this is it so far. Going up to the back of the truck. I didn't want to buy any more wood. I was being cheap. So what I did was, where the most pressure is gonna go is when you first hit the board. So I reinforced that part. Once you get up here, pretty good. So let's test it out. I also got the hooks to keep it from sliding back when I ride up. You just take your straps, strap it to there. I'll show y'all that in a minute. I put another eyelet right here and at the end, so when I'm done and I load it up, I can strap the ramp down and it ain't gotta go nowhere. Make sure she's up against. Yep, she's up against. She's tight. See how I did that? All right. See? Straight up. No problem. or anything? Straight. Have it. It's a success. It'll look a lot better like this. I'll update photos or whatever. Watch my wife hating over here.
Hey! Whole gas, no brakes, nigga. No brakes.